Merħba sbiħtija, jiena Miss Julie u għawek nitalmu nħdu għos flimkien. Tfal, nfakkarkom li jekk qed intieħdu pjaċir b'dan iċ-channel tistgħu tagħmlu subscribe kif ukoll tafsu il-buttuna li għandha qampina u tażlu qol biex kull darba jiena ntella video ġdid. Tfal, intom tkunu tafu u YouTube jgħidilkom li jiena tellajt video ġdid. Tfal, kif għattilkom il-bieraħ illum għandi storja oħra preparata likom u l-istorja hija marbuta ma' lejt. U jien nixtieq ngħidilkom lejt it-tajjeb minn qabel u din l-istorja hija bl-Ingliż tfal. Spot first Easter. Diġà qrajna ta' Spot, u vera. Allura tafu l-istorja hija ta' Eric Hill. Tlaqna. The Easter bunny has hidden some eggs for you, Spot. Come on, Helen. Let's find them! Are you going to search for hidden Easter eggs today, children? How many eggs did the Easter bunny hide? I don't know. Shall we see? Shh! 6. Has Spot found the first egg? Shall we see? What's under there? Shall we see? Yes! He did! Well done, Spots! Now Helen has found one. Look, she found one too. What about Spot? Do you think he found another one? Shall we see? So have I. Look, children, he found one too, hidden in the tree. Spot and Helen have found 3 eggs. Are there more? I think so, because there's 6 hidden. Shh. Remember? Let's find out. Yes, 3, because we already found 3, and to make 6 we need another 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's behind the sack, Helen? Shall we see? Another egg! May I have it? I think so. I think she may. Maybe some eggs are inside the house. I wonder what's under the stairs. Let's see. Sorry. Only cheese here. The mouse likes cheese. He doesn't like Easter eggs. I don't think so. Has Spot found another egg? Do you think he did? Under the pillow, maybe? Shall we see? Go away! She's angry. Look. She's angry. She was sleeping. He woke her up. Poor kitty cat. Spot, get off the table. Oh, look where he is on the table. Here's one, Helen. There was one. You see? In the fruit basket. There was one. Just one more egg to find. You found the last one, Spot! Yay! He did it, children! Did you find all the eggs, Spot? Yes! And we saved one for you. Ooh, that's very nice. Happy Easter, Mom. What a good dog. He likes to share. Oġbitkom tfal l-istorja, jekk oġbitkom l-istorja tfal u triduni ntella iktar, hawnhekk hawn bittuna jgħidula thumbs up u rridkom tafsu fuq ħallina nkun naf. Grazzi tfal tal-qegħdin tisimgħu dawn l-istejjer u jien narakom il-ġimgħa d-dieħla. U qabel nitlaq tfal, nixtieq ngħid brava kbira lil mami tiegħi proset talli li inżejjen hawnhekk u dawhom li tom kollha hi. U dawn mhux ħaġa li intom tfal tistgħu tagħmlu speċjalment bħal dita u fuq. Okej tfal, biex intom issibu aktar x'tagħmlu sakemm qegħdin tistennew id-dar sakemm jerġgħu jinfetħu l-iskejjer ġvera. Tfal, lejt it-tajjeb u nħobbkom ħafna.